Mr. Rabbi, question I have, it's the topic we're talking about. I remember reading in the Rambam in Hot Deos where it says that you're not allowed to, a Torah sage is not befitting a Torah sage to be a burden to society. And then in the commentary over there, it's chapter 5, Halacha 12. Yeah, I think it's there in the commentary. It says that, then it gives another source in Hot Matanot Anayim 10:18. It says that that you're not allowed to, you're not allowed to constrain yourself just to pursue Torah knowledge if you're going to be a burden to society, right? Because and then it mentions that the Torah sages were wood choppers. They had a job, but they did their salutes. So this case, if the person, if they're trying to work, are they not deserving? Like, they're not committing a sin, no, because they're trying to work.
Okay, so that's one of the cases that we discussed today in the book. So person is working, but he's not making enough. He has five children, right? Even if you have a good salary, and you have to pay for education. So it's all the kosher food. So it's not such a it's not a lot of money. Maybe you need some support. Maybe like from school break, like tuition break, something, right? So there is no problem. But what is the connection?
So if a person's lazy, lazy on purpose, you're not allowed to help that type of people?
I mean, he said in the book that you would be allowed, like, to put them straight. Like, if he wants to start business, and he's going to work in that business, so maybe you're allowed to give him money, right? But what I said, it would be like our last priority to give him money. Because there are people who are trying to make a living and it's simply not enough, or they're not capable, they're elderly, she's a widow, somebody's disabled. So we had one of the cases with the lady, she had I didn't get what was the story, like very weak heart, so she's disabled. You understand? So even she's I don't know, in her Torah is a young lady, but she has this, she cannot work. I mean, she work. She does translation from foreign languages, but of course it's not enough, right? So she's allowed to take tzedakah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Okay.